Hello everyone, today we have the BoAt Watch Xtend smartwatch with us and we are going to check out what's inside of the box and what are the features of this smartwatch. But right before we do that, let's just quickly have a look at the box. Towards the side of the box, you can see that this smartwatch actually supports Alexa, which is built inside the watch. And on the back side, some of the features are mentioned, like it's got the real-time notifications with vibration alerts. It's got the 5 ATM dust, sweat and splash resistant capabilities. It's also got 14 sports modes, ambient light display and whatnot. So without any further ado, let's just quickly unbox this and see what's inside of the box. So first and foremost, we have the watch itself, which comes in a nice rose gold color and has an all black front face. Let me keep this aside and see what else do we get inside the box. Here we get the charging cable. Let me quickly unwind this and see how long it is. So the cable right here that we get is about 1.5 feet long, and here inside the box we also get some user manuals. As you can see, here's the user manual, a 1-year warranty card, a setup guide for Alexa and a promotion pamphlet. We also get to see a small little BoAt head sticker with the watch. Moving forward, let's talk about the features of the Watch Xtend by BoAt. This watch right here comes in with a 4.3 cm full touch display. It's got the stress monitoring capabilities. It has also got the customizable watch faces. It's got the real-time notifications with vibration alerts, 5 ATM dust, sweat and splash resistant capabilities, a menstruation cycle tracker, 14 sports mode with automatic motion recognition. It also supports ambient light display, guided meditative breathing, and last but not the least, it supports heart rate, blood oxygen and sleep monitoring. That's all folks. These are all the things that you are going to find out inside the box of the BoAt Watch Xtend. Thank you so much for watching the video.